Okay, so what's up, everybody? So what I'm about to do is I'm about to make some nose jewelry with these tent stakes. So I already have one in here already. I have it cut down the size and everything. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take this rotary tool, and then I'm gonna take my drill, spin them in the same direction, of course, but when you face them, they're gonna be going against each other. Because what I'm trying to do is, matter of fact, let me show you. It's pretty much like stainless steel. I don't know if it's gonna. There we go. Stainless steel. Oh, come on, focus, focus, focus. But anyways, the stainless steel and is really, shiny. So what I want to get is a more grainier. It has like a grainy look to it now. So I want to get more of that. So this is the reason why I'm doing it like this. So, okay, here we go. Turn this up a little bit higher. And go on. Grind away. Kind of like a lace in a way. Okay, that side done, and just switch it off. Away we go. Plus, I needed to come down some a little because the diameter that I have is a little too small. So it should work. Oops. Anyways. Alright, I don't know what the hell I was doing just now, but there we go. Let me see. I'll just put some pictures up so you guys can see it, because this camera is not working out. But it looks nice. So, as you can see, it went from this to that. Looks like it's been encrusted with something, you know? Like encrusted diamond. It's pretty cool, you know? Alright. Alright, yes. That shit worked, man. So, I mean, I took down the diameter of it ever so slightly. I know I didn't have to, but it was kind of better that I did it because, of course, when you're stretching, you want to do it slow. So, but yeah, that shit worked. Looking pretty cool. Looking pretty cool. Yeah. I love me. I love my look. Oh man, and yes, that is a tattoo on my face. Did that shit myself. I don't care if you like it or you love it. It's for me.